Wanna know how to find the largest of three numbers in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Here we have this code where we have created three numbers, that is int ABC, which is 10, 20 and 15. So you can just simply copy up this code or just modify as you want. What we do is we check the second and third numbers. So first is we start by assuming the first is largest and then check the second and third one. So if either is bigger, we operate the largest. Finally, we print it. So we print the largest value. This uses a simple if statement. So you can just simply see this if statement right here where we print out the largest number, that is either A, B or C. So it's super simple and beginner friendly, as it helps beginner make decision making learning process. So you can easily expand this for more numbers as well. So I'll just simply run this code to check it. And there you have it. The largest number is 20, that is B. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.